Short summary of Thalma Ray by Tisha Coiner. Before starting the summary, I would like to give an introduction about the writer Tisha Coiner. Thomas Jefferson, former American president, said, "Friendship is precious not only in the shade but in the sunshine of life. A true friend always walks along with you. Your parents also can be your best friend." Tisha Coiner is an American writer. Thalma Ray appears in a fine collection of text at A Cup of Comfort for Friends, which celebrates the joy of friendship. Now, the title of the story is The narrator and the Thalma are best friends because they shared their lives with each other. They stayed up nights talking, had similar interests, love for Chinese food, soft music, the Oregon coast, and were united in their love for writing. Now, the characters in the story. First character is Thalma Ray. Thalma Ray was a good friend because she was always around for the narrator. She was a good person to talk to, someone to learn new things with, especially countless beach excursions. She shared some common interest with the narrator, so they spent a lot of happy times together. Thalma Ray was also a good mother as she was always present to guide the narrator and give her some well meaning advice. She cared for the narrator and loved her, spending lots of time with her both while writing and while enjoying some leisure time. Now about Tisha Coiner. Tisha Coiner about her sweet memories that she had with her mother. Thalma, while writing about her, she recalls how her mother used to play with her on beach and talk with her all night as she was of her age. As a single mother, she was guided her on every step in the life. They spent and share good and hard times. Now about the description about the title of the story. The narrator and Thalma are best friends because they shared their lives with each other. They stayed up nights talking, had similar interests, love for Chinese food, soft music, the Oregon coast, and were united in their love for writing. Now I will start the summary of the lesson. Thalma is one of the characters in the story. The writer's attention was caught by Thalma. She was sitting on the bank of the sea. Thalma was sitting near the beach. Her blue jeans was rolled up to her knees and sitting with the bare toes digging into the warm sand. Her curly hair was tapping on her face due to the coastal wind. Thalma's age is 36 years and writer's age is 18 years, half of the Thalma's age, but they are good friends. Thalma asked the writer to join along with her. Almost it becomes a tradition for them to sit together and share their writings. Simpson Beach was an inspirational place for them to work. They both avoid the temptation to chat with each other. Waves crashed with each other and seagulls sing a song. A large wolf-shaped rock looks like a wise old Timmons. Tisha Coiner was sitting at the edge of the rock and started doing her work. After their work, they liked to play at the beach. Thalma and Tisha were walking on the edge of the water. They both were playing like kids and enjoying their afternoon at the beach. They both are throwing driftwood into the sea and waiting for them to come back. After that, they visited tide pools which are located on the south side of the beach. Thalma loved to poke the sea anemones, which are stick to the rocks. Every visit to Simpson Beach was full of new discoveries for them, and they enjoyed their afternoon. Sometimes they used to spend their whole night in talking with each other. Sometimes it becomes early hours also. Their tastes are similar. Chinese food, soft music, the Oregon coast, of course, writing. Thelma always gives some advice on life. She thought Tisha that always accept in the life whatever you are getting because one day in your life you may need it. Now Tisha is ready to marry. Her age is 25 years. Thelma advised her in two things about to select a right soulmate. Thelma told the narrator that she should judge a man's character by observing his behavior with children and dogs. If he treated them well and took time to love them, he was sure to be good to her too. She also told the narrator that no man is perfect, so she should find some, someone whose faults she can be okay with. Thelma was alone. Her husband died 10 years before in an accident. At last, at the age of 25 years, Tisha got married. She always remembered about the days how she used to spend with Thelma Ray at Simpson Beach. Tisha Coiner gave birth to a girl child and named her Tesha Ray. Thelma Ray was happy because Tisha kept her daughter's name on the middle name of Thelma Ray. The narrator's relationship with the Thelma did not change after she got married and became a mother. Though she moved further away and became busier in her life, she remained close to Thelma and tried to keep in touch with her as regularly as possible. The narrator even tried to coerce Thelma to come and live nearer to where they were situated, but Thelma didn't want to do that. Tisha Coiner's husband got transfer and they have to move to another place. Thelma's health was not good. One day, Tisha got a call from the hospital. Thelma was suffering from cancer and it was last stage of her life. It was a great shock for Tisha Coiner. Her mind was blocked by hearing this news. Immediately, when she heard the news, she started her return journey to see Thelma. Thelma asked Tisha to bring some lemon-filled donuts for her. When Tisha reached to the hospital, everything was silent and the faces were very strange. Tisha kept her brave face and entered into the hospital room. There, Tisha saw Thelma was with full of energy and she was teasing nurses around her. The cancer traveled quickly from her lymph nodes to her bone and then it also enters into the brain. During her last journey, Tisha was recollecting all the stories about how they both used to spend at Simpson Beach. At last, she has closed her eyes. All the moments and the memories of both Tisha and Thelma were told to Tesha and her brother. Even Tesha is even Thelma is not there. Tisha used to go and visit the Oregon coast as often as. Thelma was extra special for her. Not only she was a best friend, but she was also a great mother. The main message of the story is here, even though the narrator and the Thelma are the best friends, because they shared their lives with each other, they stayed up nights talking, had similar interests like love for Chinese food, soft music, and Oregon coast, and were united in their love for writing. Our parents can also be our best friends, even though their relations has been changed, but they were best friends. A true friend always walks along with you. Your parents can also be a best friend. Tisha Coiner, she wants to express this with this beautiful story. So with this I will conclude my summary. Thank you.